I'm an OG filming car. The game is right here, and I'm gonna be going into the map room. This is a new channel, so I really like some support.
No, he is.
Alright, I've got my little thing volume rating.
What?
Yo, we're the same
Give me some money.
Oh, yeah, same color.
I've got no mods in this game.
Might be our
Because they made a new version.
So you thought about the VR guy?
Because the real one's just like that.
Well, I'm not here.
Come on, guys.
He's not even there.
When it hits 6,
Right here in the middle.
I can't see. Precision. I didn't even see the monster yet.
Hurry up, did it blood? You're slow as a little shit.
Not even coming. What are you running from?
Fucking go.
I'm gonna try getting at least
Go,
one time.
blood. It's not that scary, blood.
But I don't think it'll be a good content. Just like jump scares and jump scares.
Yeah, we gotta go back, bro. Gotta save the day. Gotta save the day.
I'm just gonna try and get a chase, but not die.
I got this. I'm Diddy.
He's Diddy. You like to touch little kids. Come on. Hey, I'm Diddy, by the way.
Come on, hurry up, Diddy, blood.
Let's go.
He's right behind us. He's right behind us. Y'all are scared.
Come on, little 12-year-olds. Go down there.
Give me some money. I got some I'm so broke.
Over here, Diddy, blood.
I'm so obese. I like chicken.
Because tonight will be the night that will go for you.
I'm so obese. I make friends for him. I'm so obese. I like chicken.
I think this is we might die. So I need to watch out.
Is this Diddy Blood doing?
Is this
I think we went the wrong way.
territory where we could die? They're looping back to spawn.
I believe we went the wrong way. I think we went the wrong way.
They're looping. I don't want to go back to spawn, so we're gonna go this way, like where normally the monster is.
No, we went the wrong way, bro.
So if the monster is like near us, we have to start screaming, so we let everybody know.
Alright.
Guys, I think we're lost.
No, this guy's helping. This guy's the leader. He does not know where he's going, I bet. No, he does.
Yeah, I do. I know. Should I take us back to spawn then? Should I continue?
That was at spawn.
Yeah, that was his spawn.
Look,
I thought we were just.
this is the room we're back at, and then this leads back to spawn. Yeah, this is not spawn.
This is
And then,
right. We're gonna take a few rides and then we'll be at spawn.
and then, yeah, right, and then there's a left, and then that's it, that whole way from spawn.
We're back.
But then, two.
Where have you been? It's Smiler.
It's Smiler, let's go.
Monkey Marathon. No, go to the right, guys, come on, let's go. Let's go.
Go this way, it's quicker. This way's quicker. I'm going the quick.
Definitely for sure. This one.
I'm going this way, it's quicker.
Hey, yellow.
That's right.
Yellow with the pants. You want like I mean the
Oh my god! I'm so sorry! I was all alone! I'm gonna try and go back to it straight away. Mr. Beast, give me some money. That actually scared me. I was like the only one who died. Because all the other people went. I think.
Blood. You good?
Where's everyone? Are they down here? Yeah, I was the only one that died. Because I went my own way.
Over here.
No. That loops back round. They're down here.
He's over there.
Let's go get him. It's so annoying not to have mods.
Oh, no.
It's gonna come from here. It's gonna come from here.
Wait, actually might be somewhere.
No, it's...
See if we can hear it here.
You are. Come. It's over here.
Oh yeah, it might loop back around.
I'm not. I'll be from I'll protect you.
Just go here. This will take us like. Well, it might take us like behind the monster or behind them. Yeah, this is good.
Don't get close to that damn monkey. You're gonna
Oh my god.
He's not even
We're so cooked. He's gonna come out that hallway. He's gonna. This is
Geo, brush this here.
Oh my god.
We're alive. Hug me. We're alive, bro.
Wait.
Go back.
This would put us in more danger. He's chasing us. Run.
He's gone.
No, he's chasing after us.
No, he isn't.
He's going after us, bro.
Stop, Smiler, bro.
It's not
Y'all
Smiler.
are good. Y'all are good.
Alright, I'm coming back.
There is no Smiler. Yo, he's chasing you.
No way.
He's down hallway.
Come.
Run.
Oh my god. Alright, at least I got it away from you. That guy lied. The guy outside the map is a big liar.
If he's down there, then we go that way.
But not here. What the fuck?
I said come back. Nice. We are safe. Oh my god. No. Oh.
Go back, guys.
Go! Hey, bro! Hey, run!
I'm trying.
He's running away. He's scared.
I'm thinking I'm gonna end it next time.